If you're looking for a UI design course on Coursera, you might be wondering which one is worth taking. In this review, I'll cover the best option, what you'll learn, and whether it's a good investment for beginners. Before we begin, check the discount link in the description. Eligible learners can get 40% off the Coursera Plus monthly plan for the first 3 months. My top recommendation is the Google UX Design Professional Certificate. While it covers both UX and UI design, it's the most popular and credible choice for aspiring UI designers. It has an outstanding 4.8-star rating with over 100,000 reviews and takes about 3 to 6 months to complete. It can also count toward a degree at participating universities. Throughout the program, you'll learn user interface design, wireframing, Figma, responsive web design, prototyping, usability testing, information architecture, design thinking, and portfolio development. The hands-on projects help you build real UI designs that you can showcase to employers. If you want a shorter course, Build Dynamic User Interfaces, UI for websites from Google is another excellent choice. It has a 4.8-star rating with nearly 3,900 reviews and focuses on creating responsive interfaces, Figma, wireframing, prototyping, and modern UI design practices. Overall, I think the Google UX Design Professional Certificate is the better long-term investment because it teaches both UI and UX skills while providing a respected professional certificate recognized by employers. Instead of paying for one course at a time, I recommend Coursera Plus. It gives you access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from Google, IBM, Microsoft, Adobe, Meta, and many other leading partners. You can earn unlimited certificates while learning multiple design skills. If you're serious about becoming a UI designer, the Google UX Design Professional Certificate remains one of the best programs on Coursera. Check the discount link in the description to see if the current 40% off offer for the first 3 months is still available.